Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. I posted a video just a few days ago and I received a question based on the video. And the question was, how do I know how to find a will? Where do we look? Well, it's a process. A will is not required to be filed in any spot. It's not required to be filed at the surrogate's court. It does not have to be maintained by the attorney that drafted the will. It doesn't even have to be with the person that ultimately wants the will to be used. So the person that prepares a will, the attorney draftsman, prepares the will pursuant to law, and then the client, the will holder, can do what he or she likes to do with the will. So some people like to put it in the drawer that is at the bottom of their dresser, maybe with their socks. Some people like to put it among their personal belongings in a file cabinet with the last few years of tax returns or something like that. Other people like to file it. So really it's a process to try to locate where the will is. We rely on the fact that sometimes people, after they prepare a will, they'll have a copy made, and they might give it to a child, an adult child, or a friend, or a loved one, or another relative. Some people like to put it in their safe deposit box, and it's not the best idea because upon the death of the person, you need a bank representative and a representative of the IRS to be present to open up the safe deposit box. So at the end of the day, it really takes Columbo-like detective tactics to find the will, unless the person actually lets someone know. John, Jane, I made a will. I'm keeping it in my file cabinet. I have a will. Here's a copy. I'm keeping the original with my safe, in my home safe, or among my financial documents. Along with the will, here's my life insurance policy. Here's several of my bank statements. Here are some other, stock and bond statements. And here's a letter that I'd like to give to my loved ones. So if you have any question about elder law or estate planning, please check out my website, Frank Bruno Law. You could also give me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw. Thank you very much.